On this episode of Doorbell Diaries. What's this guy doing? The old kick the door and run away trick. He's looking pretty casual and relaxed as he explores this wonderful wooden outdoor recreation space. You might call it a porch or a veranda. His facial expression shows he's up to no good as he steals this barbecue and its cleaning tool.
Just call the police, so I advise you not to do that. Yeah, thank you.
Suspicious activity inside an automobile. Not exactly guard dogs.
What you're doing? Get out of here! Lola, come! 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 Oh, that was inside? I don't know.
We couldn't say why this accident happened, but it sure happened. Well, this electric scooter sure looks tempting. It's just sitting there, not locked up or anything. It is alarmed, though. She thinks about stealing the big heavy one. And decides the smaller, lighter one is more her speed. This guy's just sitting here acting weird.
What are you doing?
Waiting on someone? Maybe I have the wrong house.
Maybe. Here he comes with a purposeful stride. Now that's a darn good door. He knocks down the doorbell camera and shows his underwear. And now we see his accomplice. He gets his gun out.
Hello!
But they get interrupted and flee. You don't have to kick the door in if you can just pick the lock, while your accomplice keeps a lookout. But that's a pretty big if. This fella uses the door knocker. Seems legitimate.
Hello, can I help you?
Yeah, do you have a lighter?
No, I don't.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Now that's just weird.
Yeah, I'm still watching my camera. You can go ahead and leave.
Here's the local Grinch just out being a bad neighbor. It seems some creeps will just knock on the door to see if the resident is home before they break in and rob the place.
A few moments later.
While keeping their identity hidden, of course.
Hello?
Do you have a cover I can use?
A cover?
Yeah.
I don't have no extra cover.
Thank you.
But if they get caught, they don't have a believable response ready and end up looking stupid. Now, the possibility exists that this guy might not have picked up after his dog.
What's that? Tell him to leave. I know, they've been really bad. They get them on camera.
Do something.
No, I'm not.
Do something.
What? You're on camera right now.
Tell me, what?
What?
What am I doing?
I didn't
What
say
am I
that.
doing?
I didn't do anything.
What am I doing?
Hey,
What am I doing?
you're being aggressive.
Exactly.
I was
Fuck
talking to you. Hey, I was
Fuck
talking
you.
to her.
I'm right here, but you're talking shit about me.
I know, she said she
I'll fuck you up, kid. I'll beat your ass. I'll beat your ass.
She said you
I'll
didn't
beat
pick
you
up.
down.
She said
I'll
you
make
didn't
you my
pick up.
bitch.
You are a bitch.
What? I'm what? I'm what?
You're on camera.
I'm what?
You're gonna go to jail.
I'm what?
You're gonna go to jail.
I'm what? Exactly, punk.
You're the punk. You're the pussy.
On your mouth, bitch.
You pick up your shit, bitch.
You're gonna do shit, faggot.
Pussy. Pussy. You better pick up your shit, motherfucker. Go ahead, and I'll have you arrested. Piece of shit. You didn't pick it up?
Another porch pirate strikes and runs away. The homeowner's response?
Hey! Fuck did he go?
Not that fast. He suffers the frustration of futility. Here's a worrisome sight. A hooded, masked man with an assault rifle, with a scope. Hard to deal with, right? But defeated by a broken down fence.
Get away, bitch.
But hurry up, I'm getting hungry.
Hope he let go before he got dragged. He covers the camera, which makes it look dark, which activates the light. Sometimes thieves can avoid suspicion by just brazenly acting like they own the stuff in broad daylight. And bringing the car avoids carrying stuff, because that would be too much like work. Hope he breaks his car.
Lock on the door, we gotta climb through the window. All of us. Oh, that's get out of there. That's a sensor. Okay. Fuck you, bitch. 89th Street.
Here's another door knocker. Is he a thief? Maybe not.
We'll be right there.
What are you doing?
I'm good.
Ask you a question.
What's that?
show you pause. I'm homeless and hungry. The shelter that's out a couple hours ago. I'm stuck outside. You have any soap, food, water, clean clothes, change, cigarettes, anything you can help me with?
No, I don't.
Good night.
Maybe he's just a beggar. All right, that's it for this episode of Doorbell Diaries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and have a good one.